Another roundabout coming up here. We're going to make a right turn this time at the roundabout, which does require a signal, a right signal, because you'll be going from one roadway to a different roadway.
Like different lane?
So you stay in this lane to make your right turn, but you do need a signal because you're making a right turn.
So are we turning down that?
Yes, we're going to turn down from Maley to Barrydown. So it's two different roadways. You use your right signal. Timing of the signal is right about here, I guess. You can put it on here. You just slow it down a bit. Checking for traffic coming through the circle potentially. There is none, so you just keep on rolling. Right turn. Right lane. And then you can pick your speed up to 50. This lane ends, if you look ahead, that yellow sign shows you this lane ends. You gotta merge, mirror blind spot, and reduce your speed here. It's only 50.
Sorry.
Not easy to do though, because this here, it's like everyone wants to go faster, right? Reduce your speed to 50. There you go. It feels slow after coming off a highway. It's very, very slow.
It does.
Oh, we have flashing yellow lights with an officer, so we're going to make a right turn. Give him a right signal so he knows what you're going to do. And flashing yellow just means proceed with caution.
So I can go?
Yes. You just check left and you go ahead. So if it was a flashing red light, you'd have to come to a full stop before proceeding.
Okay.
We're going to turn left down this street. We're going to do a steering exercise on this roadway here. Just turn this corner, drop your left hand in your lap. Just use your right hand, keeping your right hand right there, looking right all the way around the corner. And then use your left hand around this corner. You just slow it down for the left hand over there.
Wait,
yeah, right here. That's your default position. That gives you maximum leverage.
Okay.
If you were up here, you wouldn't have that maximum leverage. So look around the corner, use your brake before the corner. Look way around the road. A little more brake. See, you're not in the right spot. There you go. Use your right hand here. Right there. Okay. Looking way around the corner. And you're still a little high there. Just right there. Yeah. That's your default position. Using your right hand around this corner. So steering involves using your brake, your steering, sometimes your gas. Looking way around the corner, it helps you to judge the sharpness of the turn. Excellent. This one's a little sharper, so you need a bit more brake before the corner. Little more brake. There we go. There. Okay. And at the yield sign, we're going to make a right turn. That's about as far as you can go before you turn into a pretzel. Mm-hmm. When you reach that point, then you can do your hand over hand steering sort of thing. You just kind of grab it at the top to finish steering if you need to. The sharper it is.
Okay.
And then we're going to turn right at the yield. Timing of the signal is right about this far away, right here, about that distance away. Slowing it down, checking left, looks good. You can use both hands.
Okay.
That was just for the exercise. It's just to show you that you don't really need to have your hands all over the wheel to turn, right? We're going to turn left at the lights. We'll obey the police officer for that. So now we got flashing red lights, which means we come to a full stop at the line before we proceed, listening to the officer. So yeah, complete stop here. Excellent. Sharp. That's it.
I thought I was going in the other one.
Yeah, when you turn, you always choose the first available lane. And this is you here on that sign. Because you're going to be the slowest car on the road, right? It's 50 here. Watch out. You want to be a turtle. Yeah, turtle mode. And we're going to stay to the right. You don't need a signal here.
Okay.
And we're turning right at the roundabout. So I'm scanning far left from way back here. I just want to see if anything's coming towards the circle, which there isn't right now. So you're safe to make the... Oh, there's a black truck, so be careful. Signal right. This guy's coming through, so we need to yield right here. Yield.
So
Okay, now keep on rolling. So
Do I
sometimes they're coming through, sometimes they're not. You just kind of have to make that judgment call.
Okay.
It's a split-second decision. You did that well. You turned into the correct lane. Yeah. And it's 70 here. Yeah, things happen so quickly. Like, they just change so quickly. You can make one decision, all of a sudden you got to change your mind right away. It all depends on how long you want to live your life.
Yeah.
Everything comes down to that. How long do I want to live? Oh, so you see that green sign up there? That tells you there's another roundabout coming up. And we're going to turn left at the roundabout. I mean, sorry, right. Getting my lefts and rights mixed up here. So we're turning right. Good timing on the signal. Awesome. We're going to turn right down this first street here coming up.
And all these like back roads, is it like dirty or like what would the speed limit be in
It's
all these neighborhoods?
anywhere within city limits. The assumed speed limit is 50 everywhere unless otherwise posted.
Okay.
Yeah, but sometimes you can't do 50 because you got too many corners. Oh, left turn here. Because we got that checkerboard sign and we're going into the bush. Yeah, straight ahead. And yeah, it's not posted. Sometimes you can't do 50 because you got too many things going on.
Yeah. And
The roads are bumpy. You can parked vehicles might be too narrow or whatever. Go to safe, comfortable speed. But if you can do 50 somewhere, the roads are good enough, then you can go 50. It's not against the law. I wonder what all those police were doing there. There's like a ton of them on the corner. Oh. Then we're gonna make a right turn. Signal right? Yeah, right on. Stay close to the curve. Just kind of follow the curve out there and reapply your sharp right. Sticks in the middle of the road. We're going to keep going straight here at this intersection. Just around this corner here, we're going to be turning right. Just, you see the green street sign? We're going to turn right there.
like right here.
Yeah, you got her.
Is this a one-way? Or
No, it's a two-way. Little skinny lane.
Yeah.
They got enough space for bike lanes there on each side.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
safe, comfortable speed you're going at here. Actually, it is 40 here. Because, yeah, there was a posted sign somewhere. Then we're going to go straight at the stop sign. Around the corner, we're gonna turn right. Coming up. Yeah, right turn.
Like right here?
You got it. There. So it's 40 here, and we're gonna do a little exercise with the speed bumps in front of us. You'll see the speed bumps.
Okay.
So basically, what you want to do is
you hit your brake and then you just roll?
yeah, and don't spill this.
Oh, okay.
More brake. There you go. Let her roll. Boop, boop, and smooth acceleration. We're gonna go straight at the stop sign.
Okay.
Smooth braking. Nice and smooth. Without going past the stop line. You'd be surprised how much the car bounces over these things. You really gotta slow her right down. Perfect. Yeah. Just imagine you were driving an ambulance. You got someone back there with a broken back. And you gotta go over these speed bumps.
Oh, that would suck.
You don't want to make them scream, right?
No.
You gotta be really, really gentle. Don't make them scream. Uh-oh, here we go. The guy's bracing himself now. He's like, oh, thank God she's a good driver.
Oh, I don't think I'd be able to be an ambulance driver.
That's an F license. They do the training here, actually,
Oh, really?
for that, yeah. And they use the speed bumps like this for training.
Makes sense.
I'm copying them. Uh-oh, here comes another one. Nice and easy. Oh, don't make me scream. Perfect. That way you preserve the life of your vehicle too, if you take those speed bumps like that, nice and gentle. Otherwise, you might bottom out. It's pretty cool at night, you see the sparks flying, you know?
Yeah.
Nice. We're gonna go straight at the stop sign. You passed the water bottle challenge. Yay. At the traffic lights, we're gonna turn right.
Okay.
And again, those police are gonna be there, so nice and easy.
Oh, I did.
That's good, yep. So right turn at the lights. Over to the right there. There we go. And complete stop before your line. Then just point your wheels so that it turns that way. There we go, that's good. And we'll see what the police officer says here. You could technically make your right turn if no one's coming from the left. Yeah. It's just when it's confusion like this, you just kind of proceed with caution, a little extra more caution. There, after this.